Good morning. Today we're going to build on our fluency. We're going to check out and see what it is we know. In your book, you should be pulling out pages 85 and 87. Then you'll see that there's pages that look like this. 89, you can leave, you don't need that one. So you want to pull out page 85, 87, you want to skip over 89 and pull out page 91. Okay? So these first pages, you'll see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 rows on the front, 4 on the back, 4 on the second page, 4 on the back of that. Okay? What you're going to do is your teacher's just going to set our timer, and she's going to give you 2 minutes. Okay? So when she says go, you're going to see how many multiplication and divisions you know in this row in the 2 minutes that she gives you. When the timer stops, you stop. If you don't get them all done, it's okay. This is just so you can see how well you're doing with your multiplications. No tears, nothing to get upset about. You're going to see how well you do. Then she'll set the timer again, and you'll do this row. Same thing. You'll stop when the timer stops. You'll continue doing this on this page and on the back of this page. Then, to give yourself a little break, as a whole group, you can look at page 91 and you can work through the word problems, okay, on just page 91. Work together on those as a whole group. Then you can go back to page 87 and work through both sides of this with the 2-minute timer. When you're done with that, then as a whole group, you can work through page 92, the word problems, okay? So you're going to be focused on how many problems you can get done in 2 minutes on the front and back side of the first page. You'll do the front side of the word problem page, then you'll go back and do the other page with the 2-minute timer, and then you'll work together on these story problems. You need to be using deal, drawing, equation, answer, and label. Then from there you have a graded assignment, okay? Your graded assignment looks like this. So at the top, remember today, what we were doing was building fluency. So you're going to write build fluency. Fluency means that you know your facts rather quickly. Down here, you're going to look at all of the problems. You're going to do drawing, equation, answer, and label. Let's look at the first one. Molly rode her bike 10 miles every day for 5 days. How many miles did she ride? I'm going to help out and tell you that that is multiplication. Leslie gave 72 balloons to the children at the fair. After the fair, she had 9 balloons left. How many balloons did Leslie start with? Okay, this one's a little bit tricky. This is an addition problem. Okay? Okay? Tony hung some photographs on one wall in his room. He hung them in 3 rows. Oh, there's a clue of what kind of pictures you should have with 4 photos in each row. How many photos did he hang? This is a multiplication. Pepe sent 15 gifts to his family members. He sent an equal amount of gifts to 3 different addresses. How many gifts did he send to each address? This is going to be division. At the Shady Acres stables, there are 5 horses in each barn. There are 4 barns. How many horses are there? Multiplication. 60 students are in the marching band. There are 10 rows. How many students are in each row? This is going to be a division. Danielle has 35 dolls in her collection. She wants to display them on 5 shelves with the same number of dolls on each shelf. How many dolls should she put on each shelf? This is going to be division. And the last one, there are 9 players on a baseball team. There are 6 teams in the league. How many baseball players are in the league? Okay? This is going to be multiplication. Don't let this one throw you off, boys and girls, okay? It's just a simple addition. In fact, I'm going to help you out with this. It says Leslie gave 72 balloons at the fair. After the fair, she had 9 balloons left. How many did she start with? I don't know why they threw that in there. I don't know if it was a mistake, but that's what your equation is going to look like. Make sure you have a drawing, equation, answer, label for all of them. Turn these into the teacher when you're done, okay? And then I'm sure you can go on extra math or I know it. Make sure you turn these into the teacher. This is a graded assignment. Good luck.